Imagine a device so powerful it fits in your palm, yet so advanced it makes the current iPad Pro look like a relic from the past. For years, Apple fans have been pleading for a Pro version of the smallest tablet in the world, and today, the silence has finally been broken. We have just received a series of bombshell leaks that change everything we thought we knew about the upcoming iPad Mini 8. This isn't just a minor spec bump. We are looking at a total architectural shift that Apple has been secretly preparing behind the closed doors of Apple Park. If you've been thinking about buying an iPad Mini 7, stop right now. The information we've gathered from supply chain insiders in Shenzhen and display analysts in Seoul suggests that the iPad Mini 8 is the device that will finally bridge the gap between extreme portability and professional-grade performance. The headline feature, the one everyone has been waiting for, is the transition to OLED. But this isn't just any OLED panel. Leaks suggest Apple is working with Samsung to develop a custom 8.5-inch single-stack LTPS OLED display. Why does this matter? Because for the first time in history, the jelly scrolling issue that has plagued the Mini lineup will be physically impossible. We are talking about true blacks, an infinite contrast ratio, and a level of color accuracy that photographers and editors have only ever seen on the $1,000 plus Pro models. Imagine watching HDR content or editing ProRAW photos on a screen that literally fits in your jacket pocket. But here's the kicker. Some insiders are whispering about a 120Hz promotion refresh rate. While Apple usually keeps promotion exclusive to the Pro branding, the competitive pressure from handheld gaming PCs like the Steam Deck and ROG Ally is forcing Apple's hand. They need the iPad Mini 8 to be the ultimate gaming machine. And you can't have an ultimate gaming machine with a 60Hz limit in 2026. Under the hood, the situation gets even more intense. The internal codenames J510 and J511 have appeared in leaked regulatory filings, and they are linked to a monster, the A19 Pro chip. This is the same 2nm architecture expected to debut in the iPhone 17 Pro. We are talking about a 69% jump in gaming performance compared to the previous generation. Apple isn't just making a tablet. They're building a handheld console that can run AAA titles with ray tracing better than some laptops. And with 8 GB or even 12 GB of unified memory, Apple Intelligence is going to be the core of this experience. Imagine a Siri that doesn't just answer questions but actually manages your entire workflow, utilizing the on-device NPU to edit videos or summarize thousands of pages of research in seconds, all while you're on a flight or sitting in a coffee shop. But wait, there's a secret feature that almost no one is talking about: water resistance. Supply chain reports indicate that Apple is testing a new vibration-based speaker system that eliminates traditional speaker holes. This would make the iPad Mini 8 the first ever water-resistant iPad. Imagine taking your digital notebook to the poolside or using it in the rain without a second thought. This level of durability, combined with the rumored landscape-oriented Face ID camera, finally moving away from that awkward portrait-only setup, proves that Apple is finally listening to the power users. They are trimming the bezels, expanding the screen real estate to 8.5 inches without increasing the footprint, and potentially introducing a new midnight and ultra titanium color palette to match the iPhone's premium aesthetic. The price? That's where things get controversial. With an OLED panel and a 2nm chip, the $499 starting price is under heavy fire. Analysts expect a $100 price hike, pushing the entry-level model to $599. But when you consider that this is effectively a Mini Pro, the value proposition is undeniable. You are getting the best display technology, the most advanced mobile silicon on the planet, and a form factor that no other company has been able to replicate successfully. This is the ultimate tool for the digital nomad, the elite gamer, and the creative professional who refuses to be tied to a desk. The iPad Mini 8 isn't just a tablet. It's the future of mobile computing miniaturized. Stay tuned as we dive even deeper into the specific benchmarks and the leaked launch date that Apple doesn't want you to know about. This is Tech Rivet and the era of the small screen revolution. Tie-in is officially here.